My name is Nancy Bos. I'm a voice scientist, researcher, and author of 3 best-selling books on voice. I'm also a professional singer and an empowerment speaker. And yet it took me 30 years to find my voice. Even though I started singing as a kid, and I had a talent for it, I wasn't able to overcome my own performance anxiety. I was well into my 20s, and I couldn't even sing in front of friends. My hands would shake, my mouth dried out, I'd feel nauseous, and my breath would get stuck in my throat. Later, when I started teaching voice, I realized that this problem was not unique to me. It didn't matter how many tools I gave my clients. If they didn't believe in themselves, then all bets were off when they needed to use their voices. Today, working with teams and professionals, I know that it's not just singers and performers who lose their voices when they need it the most. I've seen executives and high-level professionals suddenly not able to share concepts that they know inside and out. I've heard stories of entrepreneurs who are afraid to communicate what they need in their businesses. And one employee told me that he never feels confident enough to speak up in meetings about his own projects, even though he's the expert on the subject. The technique that I developed to overcome my own stage fright not only changed my life, but also the lives of my clients. Many of my singing clients have gone on to star on national and Broadway stages, win RuPaul's Drag Race, and live their best lives as successful actors, singers, and speakers. My corporate clients have launched brands, become subject matter experts in their fields, spoken in front of large audiences, and grown their businesses to new levels. Today, I share my Empowered Voices Boss method with audiences across the globe. On the Empowered Voices World Tour, I share my story and knowledge and learn from people who have empowered their own voices against all odds. The tour isn't over. I'm still on this journey, and you can be part of it. One of my greatest joys is receiving letters and messages from executives, managers, and employees telling me how finally being able to communicate confidently has improved not only their work lives, but also their personal lives. When you empower your voice, you become authentic and confident. You experience a greater sense of peace and satisfaction, and you're able to connect deeply with your purpose in life. You stop wasting time with fearful distractions. My passion in life is to help as many people empower their voices as possible. The more we empower our voices, the more amazing our world becomes.